Hello guys, welcome back to Indian Product Reviewer. I'm your host NJ, and in this video we are going to talk about the Nirlon Non-Stick induction based aluminium kadai. So the size of the kadai is 2.5 liters and I bought this for 534 rupees, and the price is fluctuating because of the Great Indian Sale going on Amazon.in. The best buy link of buying this kadai is down below in the description box. Today I am going to make some Schezwan rice in this kadai and going to show you if the rice sticks to the pan or how this kadai performs. So this is the first cook in this kadai and I'm going to cook this with the help of my mom. So while the process of this cooking is going on, I will be briefing you about the kadai. So the kadai is made up of 5 layers of non-stick coating, and the top layer is coated with an marble finish granite. It is also 10x stronger than the Teflon coating, as well as it can handle up to 800 degrees of temperature, and that we have to see when we cook this in the oil. So the materials used in this kadai are of premium quality as they are mentioned on their page, and the kadai also comes with a warranty of 1 year, and it's a replacement warranty. You have to contact the Nirlon people and they will just replace the kadai. So in the normal kadai, when we add this ginger garlic paste, the normal kadai tends to have a sticky consistency down the base, and it forms a layer kind of thing on the base of the kadai, so which is obviously very hectic to wash off when you're washing the utensil after you're done cooking, and it also kind of leaves scratches behind when you scrub the kadai when you're washing it. In this kadai, there is no kind of layer formation down the base, as you can see in this video. So now the next part will be addition of the rice, which you will see in the next few moments, and we will see if the rice is sticking to the base of this kadai. So as you can see, now we have added the rice in this kadai. So let's shake this rice up and let's see if any kind of stickiness is there on the base of this kadai. So as you can see, the rice is not sticking onto the base of this kadai, neither any kind of sticky kind of formation is been there on the kadai. There is no kind of layer formation on the base of the kadai. So now we will add some more sticky consistency, that is the Schezwan sauce. So as you all know that whenever a sticky substance like this Schezwan or something is added, your kadai tends to change its color or form a layer on the base and gives a sticky part on the layer, which is very hard to wash it off after the cooking has been done. So this is the Schezwan which we added. So as you can see, there is no layer formation clearly visible. As you can see, clear base of this kadai, and there is no formation of any kind of layer, and the rice is also looking delicious. Comment down below if you want to eat this rice. So we have added more chutney, Schezwan sauce you call it, into the rice. So to check that out if the chutney is sticking to the pan or no. You can also deep fry many things in this kadai as it is very shallow, and here the spring onion which we added, this is also kind of sticky consistency and tend to stick on the edges of the kadai as well as on the base of the kadai. But when we were cooking this Schezwan rice in this kadai, we didn't find any kind of stickiness to the base of the kadai. There is no formation of any layers on the base of the kadai, neither form of any kind of residues, oil residues or anything on the base or the side of the kadai. So you can just, for washing it off, you don't even need the water. You can just take some tissues and just wipe off this kadai and you're good to go for the next round of cooking. and it comes with a lid, as you can see here, and this lid is also made up of non-breakable glass, which is also known as tempered glass. So it is a high strength glass, and it is used for, so the lid is also made up of a high strength glass, and which also useful when you're cooking something, a curry or any kind of other dishes. So as you can see, the rice is ready here, and as you can see, the lens is also fogging up, and it is really hot out there, but still the kadai is looking pretty clean and no layer formation can be seen in this kadai. So give it a like if you like this video, and we make a lot of reviews like this. And enjoy the rice. If you want more such reviews, subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.